Mystery 3. How are faith and miracles related? Jesus performed many miracles, but one of the most memorable ones was when he walked on the water with Peter. Many people offer a lot of explanations for how this miracle was performed, but they don't prove that it didn't happen. This miracle of walking on water is especially important because it teaches about the connection between faith and miracles. Let's take a closer look at this story to find out more about this important relationship. After Jesus had finished teaching, he dismissed the people and told the disciples to go ahead of him. He went up to the mountain to be alone and pray. The disciples then left in their boat to row across to the other side of the lake. Night fell as they rowed away from the shore. After they were out and away from the shore, a storm came and the wind grew so strong that they weren't able to make any headway. Towards dawn, they saw someone walking on the water. At first they thought it was a ghost, but Jesus identified himself and told them not to be afraid. Peter asked Jesus if he could come to him on the water, and Jesus told him yes. Peter got out of the boat and started walking toward Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he became afraid and started sinking. Peter shows us why faith is such an important part of miracles. When Peter was looking at Jesus, he was able to exercise his faith and walk on the water. However, when Peter saw the scary things around him, like the wind and the rain, he became afraid. His faith failed him, and he started sinking. Some people try to explain how this miracle happened. Some say Jesus was able to do this because the salt content is so high in the Dead Sea. But Jesus never walked on the Dead Sea. This was the freshwater lake that emptied into the Sea of Galilee. Others say Jesus walked on a sandbar, or suggest that God created a sandbar solely for Jesus to walk on. If this really happened, then this explanation still would be a miracle. We can learn from the example of Peter. It's important for us to remember to keep our eyes on the Lord rather than be distracted by the scary things around us. When we exercise our faith, we can see miracles in our lives.